Tastes good. Wow. The best. Look at this. They have lemon. Oh wow. This is the best. This is the grilled chicken. Lettuce. The best yung kanilang balsameco. They called it ensalada balsameco with grilled chicken. So that's why their chicken, it's a healthy one. For sure. I will order one for takeout later. Look at that. Wala siyang mantika. Grilled po siya, so inihaw. And yung taste ng chicken nila is eksakto yung pagka-grill. Tapos malalasahan mo yung, I don't know kung ano yung nilagay nila sa chicken nila, pero masarap. The best yung lasa. I love it, guys. Magiging sukay nila ako dito. Kahit once a month, we will be here. So, one of my favorite spot is here. I love their sauce. Apple. Ngayon ko lang nalaman, pwede mo pala itong ilagay sa salad. Masarap pala itong pasalad. Kanina, I thought it's pineapple, pero hindi. This is a lemon. And it's really good. Grapes. They put some cashew nuts or almonds, I think. Yan yung normal nilalagay sa mga Caesar salad. It's really good. Sabi ko kanina, madami. But for sure, mauubos ko kasi. The best, guys. The best. The best yung lasa nila. Pipino. Wow. I really like it. It's really good. It is really good. I love the taste. Wow. hindi siya naiiba sa ibang salad, pero yung sauce na pinang-mix nila, yun ang nakakapagpasarap. Every taste of the leaves of lettuce, malalasahan mo yung sauce na ginamit nila. Siguro yun yung kanilang secret. Kasi this is an ordinary lettuce, right? Ordinary lettuce with pipino. But when you eat it, andun yung lasa na naiiwan sa dila mo. Hi, Daddy. Napasalubong ko sa akin mamaya. Oh, also this one. Wow. Ngayon ako naniniwala ng mga kapampangan ay magaling talaga sa Yeah, later guys, ilalagay ko kung saan location ito. I don't know kung may mga branch sila nitong iba. But it's really, really, really delicious. I love how they mix it. Mabubusog ka pero healthy yung kinain mo. Oh my God. Hahanapin ko yung sauce nila. Malay mo, makuha ko kung saan, anong sauce ang ginamit nila. Wow, as in wow. Walang sinabi yung mga pinupuntahan nating Daddy at Julio Baga. This is really the best salad I ever taste. Walang sinabi yung salad na binibilhan mo. Yung mga nabibili natin. Caesar salad o yung basta. This is the best. The best to sa natikman ko salad. So, dapat pala gigrill mo yung chicken. Oh my goodness. I really love it. I'm full. So hanggang mamaya. See? For 200 pesos. This is a sharing for 2 persons na. For sure, masasatisfied nila yung cravings mo. Busog na ako. What I need to feel is this. Pero ang sarap. Ang sarap ng pagkagawa nila. The best. Look at the chicken. This is this chicken. Grilled chicken. No skin. Kaya healthy pa rin. Ayan. The best talaga. Also this one. I think ano yung sauce na ginagamit nila dito. This is really healthy.